Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today a very easy, friendly do-it-yourself project. We are working on our bathroom cabinet and we are replacing the old knobs and installing new. Let's do it. This is what the actual handle looks like, and the lower one is broken, the upper one is broken, and it's only a matter of time before the additional ones break. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove these and install new ones. Here's the handle, and the cool thing is go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, or Ace Hardware, or any hardware store, and you have a large variety of handles to choose from. We chose this one, grabbed a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and open up the actual drawer. On the inner portion, you will see a Phillips screw. Let's go ahead and back that screw out, as well as holding this side with one hand, and take that entire broken piece out. New handle comes with 2 different size screws, and the one you'll pick depends on the actual depth of your drawer. We grab the long one, insert it in the actual hole, make sure it comes through the opposite side, and from here we will slowly connect the handle. Once it gets firm and tight, at that point, take your Phillips screwdriver and give it a few extra turns. Once it's tight, that looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. That looked pretty good. From here, let's do the additional 7. That went fast and easy. I think that looks a lot better, as you can see. We did all 8, got rid of the crystal looking knobs, and installed 8 of these. They look pretty nice. What we're doing is we are redoing the entire bathroom. As you can see, I'm spackling the wall, filling holes. We plan on repainting. One of the next projects we will do is remove these faucet handles that have the crystals that match the knobs and install an entire new faucet set. That's it. As you can see, nothing to it. Very friendly do-it-yourself project. Do us a favor below this video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again. And also, in your browser, if you want a direct path to our channel, enter youtube.com/DIY with Michael Borders. Thanks again.